peeps, it's me again. Have another video for you. I'm doing a clear acrylic with gel polish over the top. And you'll see that gel polish a bit later on. So what I've done is I have taken down my old acrylic set, filed it back down to the clear layer, and I've prepped, I've primed, and now I'm applying my clear acrylic to build my nails up to do my infill. Well, more than an infill, I've taken down so much, but you know what I mean. You'll see I use as many beads as it takes to get the right amount of acrylic onto my nails to make sure my structure's there, and that there's enough there so that after I file, it's not too thin. So yeah, you'll see I'll place a bead by the cuticle area and then work that down and make sure it's nice and flush at the cuticle area as best as I can. So I shall let you watch me carry on building those nails up, and if there's anything else I need to tell you, I will be back. As you can see, I'm stroking and patting that acrylic quite a lot to get it as smooth as I can to reduce my filing time. Don't like filing, don't think anyone does like filing, but it's really hard on my hands and my fingers and every other joint in my body. In case you don't know, I actually have an illness that affects my joints and my muscles, so I have to take breaks whenever I do my nails to give, if my fingers go into spasm and I get joint ache and muscle ache, and yeah, so it's not so easy for me to do my nails, but I do get through eventually. Sometimes I do one hand and then 2 days later I'll do the other hand. You know, I'm not always able to do both hands in the same day. It just doesn't work out that way. It depends on whether my body wants to play ball or not. But anyway, enough waffling on about my body. You don't need to know about that. Oh god. Oh well, there you do. Yes, I shall shut up again. Let you watch me apply my acrylic. But as you can see, the video has jumped quite far ahead. Now, I didn't realise that the camera had run out of, what's it called, memory, that's it. I evidently haven't got any memory myself. So yeah, the camera, memory card had run out, didn't realise, and I wasn't intending on filming the filing part anyway, because I've got a lot of videos with the filing in, so I wasn't going to leave it in this video anyway. But when I started gel polishing, I didn't realise that there was no memory in the camera, so it didn't actually film the first layer. So I'm actually going in with the second layer of gel polish at the moment, and I'm using this really beautiful coral colour, and I think it's gorgeous. And I'm using a sort of red holographic one on the ring finger. So yes, that's actually my second. I've cured that, and I've cured the first layer of course as well. So the nails are still a little bit tacky, I've not wiped them off, and I'm just literally using that tacky layer to stick in bits of gold leaf. And gold leaf is so fine, it's so easy to get it to lay flat, and it, you know, just stick into this tacky layer, rub it down a little bit, and yeah, you're good to go. So yeah, you see I'm just patting it down with a silicone tool, making sure it's all laying nice and flat, and you can just top coat straight over that and it'll be fine. Which is what I'm going to do now. I'm using my Miss You top coat. It's a really nice top coat actually. Miss You Beauty. Very nice top coat. Good shine on it. So now I am cleansing the nail that I intend to stamp on and removing that tacky layer. Just cleaning my stamping plate with acetone before I start. Getting my bits ready. In with some gold stamping polish, pick up, and yeah, onto the nail. Easy as. Love stamping. It's such a quick way to get a design on your nails, because I cannot draw for toffee. Can't draw. Useless at it. I've tried. Terrible. I am going to practice some more hand painting at some point. I do need to improve my skills. But stamping plate to the rescue. I love them. And as the stamping polish is so thin, it dries so quickly, you can go straight in with your top coats. Now I'm using Miss You Jewellery Gel to apply some studs, and you'll see me faff about with them a little bit to get them in place. Just use my picker-upper tool, get them where I want them. They are cute, these little studs. Bit fiddly. And if you can see the ones that are upside down, they're hollow in the middle, hence using the jewelry gel, because it's a thick, thick consistency. So it will sort of go inside and fill that hollow, if you know what I mean, when you push it down, rather than using glue. Because glue is very thin, so it would only be the edges of the studs that would attach to the nail. I don't think that would be secure enough. So yeah, jewellery gel to the rescue. Love that stuff. Again, that's Miss You Beauty. That's a Tony Lee one. Lovely, good stuff. It works. That did not budge one bit. After I cured it, it was on until I changed my nails and had to pry them off. Great stuff. So if you're looking for something, a jewellery gel, the Miss You Beauty one is very, very good. Do recommend that. I'm just putting in some little caviar beads, little gold ones. They're fiddly little suckers. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to top coat over everything. I've not cured it yet. I'm going to top coat over it so it doesn't have a sticky layer, but also I find that studs, the colour actually comes off after a while. It's like it rubs off, and you'll end up with like some silvery thing, metal looking, and it doesn't look very nice. So I actually top coat over the whole lot, and that way they stay gold the whole time. It doesn't rub off. So there's a little tip for you. Top coat over your studs, and like I said, because you're top coating over the jewellery gel, there's no tacky layer left for that either. So all good. Because this Miss You top coat is tack free, which is lovely jubbly. Just using a little brush with a bit of rubbing alcohol to clean up where I've got any top coat into my side walls or cuticle area. Just trying to neaten those up. Sometimes my hands shake a bit, and it's a bit hard for me not to get it all over the place. And now I'm actually using acetone to clean off the stamping polish from my skin. Oh, and I have cured it, of course. I cured it before I removed the stamping polish from my skin. I should have said that, but yeah. So in with the cuticle oil, and I will cream my dry hands as well off camera, but all done! All done. So this is a quick video for a change. Relief for you guys watching long videos. But I like long ones, so yeah. Here's a few pics. That's all I've got for now, peeps. So take care, and I will see you next time. Bye!